Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to another video of mine. So this video is going to be about the Benefit Magnificent Brow Show. Apparently Benefit comes out every year with one sort of their every year with one of these their Christmas brow packaging. So they have got their full collection of like 5 full size products from their permanent line, which are there in different shades option they have. So every year during the holiday season, that is during the Christmas, they come out with their brow kit. So this is the last this is from this year one, and hopefully you're going to like this one. And because let's talk about the packaging first, because mine is in the shade, let me tell you the shade. Mine is like the darkest shade what they have to offer in this line, that is the shade number 5, black brown. And if I'm going to show you, sorry, just like these are the 5 products before moving into anything. And let me start with the packaging. This is like proper cardboard sort of packaging. Last year they had got a bulky, I don't have the packaging from last year, but last year they had got one of those bulky packaging. This year they have got more sturdy, more lightweight packaging. So apparently it's like this, you just pull out from this, and behind that, let me show you, it's going to give you some tips and tricks included. Tips and tricks included inside. So they have given a brochure also. Brochure, let me see if they have got or not, but they have, no, it's like you can see. But if I'm going to just look behind this, they have told you how to do it. Like for the goof proof, you really need to just fill in your brows with the white tip and the pointed end, and then you can then use Give Me Brow for the easy and fuller look. This is, I think, more efficient for the people who are new in the brow, or people who are not so pro, so they can use the goof proof and the Give Me Brow. Then for the Precisely My Brow pencil is for those who want, like, you know, the really definition and the defined look. For the sleek and the sculpted, they can use Precisely My Brow pencil to create a hair like stroke, and you can fill it. And then you can use 24-hour brow setter, like the clear gel, for setting it. Then comes the Ka-Brow, is bold and sculpted. So bold and sculpted is like, it's cream to gel formula, so you can just fill in with the Ka-Brow, and then you can set it up with your brow setter. So these are the tips given at the back. So let's start with the one by one with the products. So this is, as I told you, this is shade number 5 in all. So this is, I'm just going to tell you, this is the Give Me Brow. Now Give Me Brow really gives an appearance of like the 4, as you can see, my brows are already done, but I'll try and use it as much as I can in my brows. So it's going to give, you know, like the hair, like if I'm going to just show you, can you see, like just like the hair like consistency. Yeah, so you can see it's just not a very good swatch, although, but you can easily do like this, like not a very good swatch, but like just for filling up those, for the small strokes, I think, for the hair like mimic. So this is very nice. You just need one product if you just do not want to give any definition, just to give a fuller look. So I think this is the one to go for. You can use lots of these products as one, like 2-3 products as one, like goof proof, Give Me Brow, and the brow setter, or one product, whatever you feel like. So this is again the second one. This is the Precisely My Brow pencil. It has got 2 ends. One is the fine tip pencil. Now this is, as you can see, this is for like giving your hair like stroke. You can see this is going to give you a fine hair like stroke. It's going to mimic your hair like appearance. So this is for those. And you know, when you're going to sculpt it, you can really see the thin hair like stroke. Hope I'm going to do 1 or 2 strokes for you. You see, just creates like the, you know, hair like appearance. So this is perfect for everyday use. In fact, all of them you can use it every day. And the second end is the spoolie, for just using the spoolie end, that's it. Now the third one, the third of the product is like the goof proof. Now goof proof, I really love this one. I started with the goof proof only. Now goof proof has got, you know, it's like one of those tips where you can easily, like, you know, you can fill in your sparse areas. If you don't want to shape it, just fill in your sparse area and you're good to go. If I'm going to just show you, it's going to give you like this sort of appearance. So you can fill in your sparse area, and then if you just want to use it you can just use the pointed bit to give a definition or to sketch your shape of the eye. So it's 2-in-1, very good for your everyday use. In fact, all of these you can use it every day, doesn't matter. The brow setter. Now this is a 24, they claim to be a 24-hour brow setter. Apparently this is like a clear brow gel, if you can see, and the comb-like structure, it really makes it feasible to get into the corner of the brows to capture also each and every thin strand of hair. And you know, whatever, you know, the fashion which you have got for the bushy brows in the upward motion, you can easily do with this one. Just set your brows. I just like to not to do the whole. I just like to move it in the upward motion, just in my front, and on my latter, on my second half, I just like to do it laterally. So this is like I'd like to do. And for my everyday brow routine, I'm just going to share it very soon, my everyday, which is very easy. And the last product from this set is the brow gel. So this is, again, it comes with a brow brush and the brow gel. Oh, this is not opening. Oh, it took me a while to open it. So as you can see, this is a gel, and I'm just like to use the same brush, although I do not use this brush quite often, but it's like quite a gel-like consistency. It's not coming up. Hopefully you can see it this time. Yes. So if you just want to fill in, so you can use this product just to fill in your brows. I cannot use it anymore because no place left in my brows. But still, if you just need to just give in those filling like motion, you can use this either to sculpt or to fill in. And it's like the proper gel like moussey texture, 24 hours. It's going to stay put. So this is the brow. So that's it for my brow, magnificent brow from Benefit line. And this is one of their Christmas holiday limited edition collection. If you're interested, I really recommend checking this out, because guys, if I'm going to tell you the original price of individually these ones, now these ones individually is I think 1950 or something like this, 1950, I'm not sure, but this is like the normal Benefit brow pencil cost. Like this is for 1950, this is for 1950. I'm going to list down, or maybe going to add a text somewhere here of one of the product of usual price from this. So if you're going to, I bought this for 44, it was a nice deal. So for this, buying each, like for 20, if I'm going to say 19 pound for each one, and you have got five full size products, so you can imagine what good value it's carrying with itself. So I would highly recommend trying this one out if you're new into this brow game, or if you want to looking for some new brow products. Do try this Benefit Magnificent Brow Show. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like it, do support my channel, do give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you in the other one. Bye.